Sceptre monitors are popular, budget-friendly displays, but they frequently experience power-saving mode problems that can leave your screen stuck in sleep mode. Power-saving mode is designed to reduce energy consumption, but it often gets stuck, won't wake properly, or activates unexpectedly, especially after Windows 11 updates. First, check your hardware connections. 67% of power-saving issues are caused by loose cables or connection problems. Check that all cables are securely connected, try different cables, test different input ports on both your monitor and computer, and power cycle by unplugging the monitor for 30 seconds. Next, access your monitor's built-in menu by pressing the menu button on your Sceptre monitor. Navigate to the System or Setup menu section. Look for options labeled Power Save, Energy Save, or Eco Mode. Set all these power-saving options to Off or Disable, then save your settings and exit the menu. In Windows, go to Settings, then System, then Power and Battery. Find the Screen and Sleep settings. For complete control, access Advanced Power Settings. Expand the Display section and set Turn Off Display After to Never for both battery and plugged-in modes. Following these steps systematically will resolve most Sceptre monitor power-saving issues. Start with hardware checks, then monitor settings, and finally Windows configuration. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced solutions target the root causes of power-saving issues. Graphics drivers are often the culprit, requiring updates through Device Manager or manufacturer control panels. The Device Manager provides direct access to graphics driver updates. Right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver Software to resolve compatibility issues with newer operating systems. NVIDIA users can access advanced power settings through the NVIDIA Control Panel. Navigate to Manage 3D Settings and disable power-saving features for maximum display performance. AMD and Intel users have similar options in their respective control panels. Intel Graphics Command Center offers power efficiency settings that can be adjusted to prevent unwanted sleep mode activation. Current technology trends are creating new challenges for monitor power management. USB-C integration, while convenient, introduces additional complexity in wake-up protocols and power delivery. HDR compatibility and smart power management features are becoming more sophisticated, but they can conflict with existing power-saving protocols, leading to unexpected display behavior. Industry data reveals the primary causes of power-saving issues. 67% stem from cable and connection problems, 23% from software conflicts, and 10% from actual hardware failures. Technology specialists recommend a proactive maintenance schedule. Update graphics drivers quarterly, use certified high-quality cables, and check for monitor firmware updates every 6 months. Future monitor technology promises significant improvements. Artificial intelligence will enable better sleep detection, learning user patterns to avoid unnecessary power-saving activation during active use. Enhanced wake protocols will provide faster and more reliable monitor activation, reducing the frustrating delays users currently experience when returning to their computers. The key to resolving power-saving issues lies in systematic troubleshooting, starting with cable checks, progressing to driver updates, and maintaining regular firmware updates. As monitor technology evolves, these problems will become less common, but understanding the fundamentals remains essential.